Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Telepod legs folded, clamp free of debris, and the mount screw snug. This prevents wobble. Attach the included base or 1/4-20 adapter now and slide the phone clamp open so it grips centered on the device. This balances weight. Once done, power on the Telepod if it has lights and disable battery savers on your phone. This keeps stabilization and Bluetooth responsive. Make sure to align the phone camera with the pivot center. It reduces drift and simplifies framing later. Next, you stabilize and connect. Extend the Telepod legs to 1/3 to 2/3 for best rigidity, not fully. This reduces vibration. Then pair Bluetooth in your phone settings, watch the Telepod LED to confirm pairing, and press pan and tilt to verify responsiveness. Once connected, open your camera app and use the grid or bubble level to center the horizon. Frame your subject, lock orientation to portrait or landscape, and tighten the clamp so the phone won't shift when you press record. Finally, you operate and finish the shoot. Use the Telepod buttons for start, stop, and mode switching, short taps for actions, longer presses to change modes, so you avoid accidental cuts. While recording, monitor battery percentage on the app or phone. If low, swap to a power bank or swap modes that use less power. If you notice drift or lag, stop, recenter the head, recalibrate via the Telepod app, and retighten all screws. This fixes most alignment issues and keeps footage smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.